Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you much for being here. So today's video is a salon staple of mine. It's the graduated bob, a really simple sectioning pattern, front to back, sectioned with straight across the occipital bone, and then I put the baseline in and then I just start to graduate. This is something that I do a lot of in salons. I do a lot of bobs, a lot of graduation, and it's something that comes really sort of natural, but I tend to bespoke it to every single client. So I'll do a similar sectioning pattern, or I might section out pieces, maybe disconnection, but they'll all fundamentally be similar to the foundation, which we know as a graduated bob, but this is just one I have done on one of my clients in the salon today, so you can see it in the video. But these videos are something that I've been wanting to bring to you for a while now, these sort of days in the life of me cutting my clients in the salon. Reason I haven't, because the whole sort of restrictions we've had, masks, visors, clients not feeling too relaxed, with the whole thing. So this is now at a point where, let's see that fly, this is now at a point where that clients are now starting to feel normal again. The salons are starting to feel really busy and normal again. So I thought it'd be something I could bring you on the channel. It's something I've been wanting to bring you on the channel, rather than just doing mannequin heads all of the time. They're still going to be here, where I can start to sort of like practice things or try, experiment some things on mannequin heads, but also do the education stuff on mannequin heads. But I want to bring you the sort of day-to-day stuff that I do in the salon. So here is a graduated bob that I've put in. She had a root on as well. It was a 7NC 20 grams, 8NG 20 grams, and 8NC 3 grams. That 3 grams just bumped it up a tiny bit, but when she first came to me from using a different colour, I just had to match it, and they were the colours, the formulation I created to match it sort of bang on. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of these in salon haircuts and colours and techniques, because it's something I'm going to be bringing you more often. Still going to keep the original content as well in the studio, but this is my salon, this is my Kettering salon, so I hope to bring you a lot more of this content. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below on everything that you want to see in the future. But also, I love to see what you think about these videos. So yeah, it also pushes the algorithm. We want to hit 100k this year, so with all your help and support, we will get there. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon.
Gotta keep moving, baby. It's all you've ever dreamed of. Show me that you wanna be with me. We could make it boy so easily. With me, gotta keep moving, baby. With me, I wanna make you dreamy. Gotta keep moving, baby. Don't be afraid, just believe. Trust me, baby, we can do this easily. We can do this easily. Really easily. We can do this easily. You wanna roll with me? I need you to say it, just want you to feel it. I've never been closer to anyone else. For you, my heart is beating on and on. For you, my heart is beating on and on. I am the sweetener you need for your bitter. Get a little closer, feel the heat. For you, my blood is pumping. For you, my blood is pumping.
So there we go, guys, that is the video for today. Let me know if you enjoyed it, if you like this type of content. If you prefer me in the studio, also say that, say I prefer you in the studio. But if you like the sort of the client work that I do, then I'll be bringing you a lot more of it. So yeah, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.